getting ready to cook some dip. So let me wash my hands first. I had a taste for some dip, and I haven't made this in a while, so I thought I would let me turn the stove on. Make me some today. Alright, let's get started. I just got back from the grocery store. I didn't have the ground beef for it, so I had to go to the store and get the ground beef. Sorry guys, I'm just putting my stuff up. So I went to the store and I got some ground beef. This is 96%, yeah, lean. 96% lean on the 4% fat. And they had it on sale for $5.82. But you know you gotta cook it today, so, and I was planning on cooking it today, so I picked it up. So let's go ahead and put it in the pan. Put it in the pan. Alright. Just wait for this pan to get a little warm. In the meantime, I'll be adding this in it and this. So I'm going to go ahead and open these diced tomatoes and green chili now. Let's get started opening this up. Let's see. Rinse the top off. You know these tops be dirty. Excuse my head. Alright. And I'm going to drain this juice out of it. Just waiting for the ground beef to get little. Waiting for the pan to get a little warm. I'm coming, guys. Looking for my. This is what I was looking for, and I gotta rinse it off. Okay. Here we go. And I bought this thing from Amazon a while back. I can't remember what the price was. But if anybody want to know, I will link it in the description. So just leave a comment if you want to know where I got it from. And the price. Let me put a little bit of seasoning there. I think I'm gonna season it with this. Slap your mama. But I advise you not to slap your mama, because you may get slapped back. Unless you've just been very disrespectful. And your mom is scared of you. She's just tired of the drama. The Bible does say, honor your mother and your father so your days may be long. that doesn't mean that parents can, you know, make your children angry. Because it does say, do not provoke your children. The Bible talks about parents not provoking your children. So let's get this, turn it up a little bit. You guys can't even see my head, but I'm here. I just want you guys to see what I'm cooking. But after this get all brown, I'll be back. Okay guys, it has gotten brown. I'll bring you a little closer. See, it has gotten a little brown. So now, and one thing about this 93%, as you can see, it don't have a lot of oil to this. So I'm going to get ready to drain it a little bit with a little bit of oil in here. And then I'm going to add the cheese. So let's get the draining this off. Alright, now that I got this drained, let's go ahead and add the cheese. This is the cheese I got, Great Value brand from Walmart. Oh, yeah, alright, got it open. Thank you, Jesus. Let's see. Get a spoon just in case I can't get it all out. Get you a little closer. I'm just pouring the cheese in. I'm going to pour the whole jar in there. With the spoon, make sure I get it all out. And you can use whatever cheese sauce that you desire. I don't like a lot of spicy stuff. So, and plus this is the cheapest brand, so of course I got this. I'm trying to get every bit out of there, guys. I don't like to leave anything in there. Alright, that's the end of that. Okay. Oh, turn it back around so you guys can see. I'm stirring up the cheese in there. If you can see, stirring the cheese around. That's what I'm doing, stirring the cheese around. If you can see. Come on now, stay over the side. And make sure you get the cheese, mix it very well in there. And then the next thing is really, really simple. It's almost done. The longest thing is the getting the ground beef cooked. Then you're going to add your little can of diced tomatoes and green chive. I'm going to add the whole can. It's a 10-ounce can. So now I'm stirring this up. And so let me give you a little peek. Let's see. This is what you're looking at. So I'm finished stirring it up. And it's pretty much done. It's pretty much done. So you can just let it simmer. But what I'll do is, I'll also, which you don't really have to, I'll also add some shredded cheese. So it's in the sink. I also added shredded cheese. So I'm going to add a little bit of this shredded cheese. And it's just thicken it up a little bit. Like this, it should be enough. Let's stir it up. Can you see? Added the shredded cheese in there. And it's just thickening it up a little bit. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use the rest of this cheese. I love cheese, and plus I don't want this stuff to be so loose. So I added the rest of the shredded cheese and just mixing it up in there. And like I said, all it's doing is thickening it up. And guys, when I finish, I'm going to come back with the taste test and let you know how it tastes. Okay guys, I'm plating it up. So what I do, I put the ground beef mixture in there. I just bought a brand new sour cream. Stir it up a little bit on top. And what I'll do with this, I'm going to put some sour cream on top of it to eat with it. Tastes better with sour cream to me. So like I said, everybody's taste buds are different. If you don't like sour cream, you don't have to put it. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream in my plate. So one. I love sour cream. Two. Put like 3, as they say, dollops. Okay, I'm done with that. And what I bought a bag of these to eat with them. You can use tortilla, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. You can use those kind of chips, any type of chips that you desire, but I chose to use this to go with my dips today. So I'm going to in the bag and put those on the side. And this is my dinner for tonight. Something that's quick and simple. So, let me show you my plate. It's my plate. Now, let's do a taste test. Here we go. Here we go. Start hot. Trying to get the dip up there. See that steam? It's hot. That is delicious. Anyway, guys, if you want something nice and quick, just make some dip. I haven't made this in so long, so I just decided to share, and it's something quick. But anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I'll see you next video.